Meaning of cybersquatter. Cybersquatter. Cybersquatter.
Cybersquatter. Cybersquatter. Cybersquatter refers to a person or entity who registers an internet domain name with the purpose of profiting from someone else's trademark. They do not have any legitimate interest in the domain name, but they hold it hostage and demand a ransom from the rightful owner. Cybersquatting can harm a business's reputation and result in lost revenue, as customers may be directed to a fraudulent website. Furthermore, legal action against cybersquatters can be costly and time-consuming, making it important for companies to protect their trademarks and intellectual property from this type of online fraud.